Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is Brad with Being Chill. Today we're going to be talking about the new tvOS 14, which was just announced today, and I'm going to talk about some of the new features that we're going to see, as well as how to install it on your Apple TV. Now, before we get started, I do want to ask you guys to please subscribe. I will keep making these videos in the future. I upload Monday through Friday every day of the week, so please stay tuned and keep an eye out for my future videos. Now, for starters, this update is going to be available on any 4th generation or newer Apple TVs, and it's going to be available on all Apple TV 4K units. There was a separate 7.6 update pushed out to Apple TV 3rd generation models, but we're not quite sure what was in that one. Now, if you do want to install this and you don't have automatic updates turned on, you're going to want to go to the Settings app, and then you're going to want to go into General, and there you will see the software update option. So you're just going to go ahead and click on that, and that will start the update for tvOS 14. Now, let's get right into some of the features that we're going to see with this new tvOS 14. Probably the biggest feature we're going to see is the addition of Home View, which is going to allow you to use any HomeKit connected cameras you have in your home to show a picture-in-picture video of a live feed from your camera, either at all times when you're watching TV or whenever somebody approaches your home. You can enable it just so when they come up to the door, the picture-in-picture feed will pop up on your screen and you can see on your TV that somebody's going to be at your door. Another cool feature that we're going to see is the ability to watch live TV in that picture-in-picture mode, just like you did with the security cameras. Now, this is going to be able to be used whenever you're using fitness apps or doing a workout or other apps that they're going to roll this out to in the future, but you'll be able to do whatever you're doing in that app, like watching a workout, for instance, while your live TV is up on the corner of your screen. And another cool feature we're going to see is the ability to use AirPlay to take 4K footage from your phone and display it on your TV in full 4K resolution, as well as being able to do that in picture-in-picture mode. Some more cool features that we're going to see is going to be the Apple Arcade user profiles. We're going to be able to have multiple users play a game on the same Apple TV, and whenever you go to play, you're going to pick what profile you want to use, and you're going to be able to pick up where you last left off when playing the game. Previously, there was only one game save available for everybody using that Apple TV, so that's a really nice step forward if they're going to be taking gaming seriously on this device. Now, additionally, AirPods with the H1 chip in them are going to be able to audio share with the Apple TV now, which is going to allow you to watch movies without disturbing other people in the room, as well as the ability to connect multiple pairs of AirPods to the Apple TV at the same time, so multiple people can watch the TV at the same time without disturbing others. Another feature we're going to see added here is the ability to choose which video screensavers you would like to use on your Apple TV. You're going to have the option to choose between Earth, underwater, cityscapes, and landscapes. And the Earth one is going to show you an aerial view of Earth. And this is a nice feature because some people were complaining that they were getting tired of seeing the same screensavers over and over again. Another feature we're going to see here is going to be the ability for YouTube to add 4K playback to the Apple TVs that are compatible with 4K. But we are going to have to wait for Google to update the app before that will happen. However, we can expect that to happen very soon now that this feature has been implemented. Now, some smaller but welcome changes that we are going to see here is going to be the addition of support for the Xbox Elite Series 2 controllers, as well as the Xbox Adaptive controllers. In addition to this, we're also going to see them allow for haptic feedback and other features that you may find in these controllers to be enabled in Apple Arcade games. So it's really cool to see them start to take gaming more seriously. There have been rumors that they want to continue to build this Apple Arcade library and try to turn tvOS into a gaming platform. So we will see what happens in the future, but this is a good indicator of things to come. Now, the last thing that they are going to add is going to be the addition of HomeKit scenes and videos, which can now be accessed through the control center on the Apple TV. If this is something you're interested in, you can check it out. And also, they're going to have Apple Fitness Plus coming sometime later this year. If you don't know anything about it, check out my video up here. I go fully in detail about everything to do with Apple Fitness and what it entails. It's basically going to be a service that streams workouts to your TV, and you're going to be able to connect your Apple Watch to it to get real-time data metrics on your TV. So it's really cool. Keep an eye out for that if that's something you're interested in. But that's all I've got for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, if you learned a lot, make sure to hit that like button. Please subscribe. I'll be making videos every week, Monday through Friday, so check out my other videos if you have some time. I appreciate it. Peace.